All right, disclaimer, don't try this at home unsupervised. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Now, after that said, let's go for the deal here. Sometimes I'm lazy, I'm tired, or I wanna be really tricky. So my partner's here doing a cool pass. Look, the knee right back. Oh my gosh, he held my arm, he grabbed my collar, he put all the weight. Oh man, I'm done, right? Go back again. So let's put everything in perspective, all right? Go ahead, do it again. So the guy grabs you there. Look, I don't know if you notice here, one hand grabs you, stay strong, pull, and the other one is out. Okay, do you see how I put the other one out? Keep passing, please, keep passing, please. Break the grip, control the arm, stay strong. I still hold his sleeve, right? Now I pull the elbow down, and here, look, I come back right here. Now, stay strong for a second here. I want you guys to see what I'm doing here, okay? When I pull, stay strong, don't give me, okay? When I pull the elbow down, the back of my hand stops his wrist, and then I control my hand here. Try to come back. Look, right here, I got it. Try to get my arm. He can't get it. And if you stay there for too long, I start facing him, and he gets tapped, okay? So one more time, slow, nice and easy. Right? The guy's gonna pass my guard, okay? So here, inside grip, outside circle, break that grip, stay strong, pull the arm out, keep stretching his wrist, pull the elbow as you get here. Look, a lot of times what I do, once I get the hand, okay, stay strong, hand, look, the hand bends, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Then pull down and finish it off. So you don't have to do the back of the hand. Keep your elbow tight, please. Keep your elbow tight. Fight your arm, okay? So when I push out that way, look, make a V right here. 1. Now push the wrist. You see how I come in? And then here, look, as you face the guy, you get that frame, face the guy, pull the elbow down, and make it happen.